And welcome back. First time watching. Could be boring. I hope not. But to RC fans, who knows? Now, I'm not really showing anybody anything new. Just new stuff to me on this channel, and really just to my inventory of certain RCs that I like. I don't want to buy every RC out there. There's ones I like. There's ones that I aesthetically are pleasing, and then there's other ones that are great at performance and stuff. I love the 5th scale. I'm building that Capra, that 110 scale crawler, and I kind of not really fell in love, but after building and putting that much time into it and research and stuff, I wanted to have another one for the collection. And I also wanted one that somebody else can come with me and get footage of a couple of them instead of just one. So right before the new year, A-Main Hobbies there had a little bit of a sale, and I picked up this bad boy. And there it is. New edition. Came the other day. Just had to wait and clean this all up from the activities of the Capra I'm building there on my other videos. But I got one of these, and I wanted to do an unboxing and get this out of the box. But before I can do that, I gotta do one of these. An unboxing. I don't really take a lot of time to do a lot of the unboxings because everyone's already done those already. I mean, I'm not doing anything new, you know, and everyone wants to be original. I don't want to do what everyone else is doing, but, you know, seems to be working sometimes. So here and there, I'm going to do something like this. What do you know? They're little footballs. So, yeah, so this is the Gen 8 V2, yo, from Redcat. I didn't see a lot of upgrades that really come with this. It comes with a lot of upgrades already, as far as the look and authenticity, real experience. I forget where I read and what they said to kind of sell that whole purchase there. But yeah, I went with the purple. I didn't have any purple rigs yet, so I figured I'd get one of these. I got the green one. I already got the X-Max, and that was already green, so I kind of want to go with something different here. The Baja's green. Comes with all this, fully detailed. Now I seen, yeah, so these LED ready headlights. So there's a kit. I think Redcat actually sells the kit, but you can find a different one that you could fully put an LED kit on there and have lights go on and off and all that fun stuff. I'm sure it's how you would hook it up to your receiver, so if you had extra space on there. So I do want to throw this on the Futaba that I got coming, but to one of my next videos, and I'm waiting on some extra things for that just to make an actual video for it. But I'm excited to use it, and I can't wait. I know it's more for like drifting and the crawler world and stuff, not so much the big gas powered RCs, 5th scales, but I know you can use it for those too. It's all around great controller, does up to 40 cars, and you know, can't wait. But I would like to leave this with this receiver, that way somebody else can enjoy the fun with me and power their own vehicle, drive it around. So yeah, let's open this damn thing. Jibber jabbing, no one cares. All right. Excited to get this. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh, bad boy. Oh, the bad boy. That's pretty cool. It's hanging out in there. There's that purple. There's that purple. There's that purple. Alright, let's put this over here. Let's just look up. Was this fully in there? I think I gotta take the whole thing out. There we go. There we go. Obviously, your standard buck manual, extra parts, some tools. Got tools at the yin yang, so don't really need a lot of this stuff. But for the people that just get into the hobby, it's perfect. And that's why they give it to you. So that's that. Gives you a bunch of stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with these stickers, but it gives you a bunch of stickers. I might just keep it just like that. Putting these racing stripes on here and all that fun stuff. Just keep it nice and simple. Nice and simple. I want to look nice and fresh going through the trails. Right, let's get this out of here. Let's take that off. What else is this thing in here? What is this in here? Oh, let's see. So, do all this. Do a little this on my cutters. Cutters. These will work. These will work. It's like Christmas. After Christmas. Nice. Noise in your noise. One thing at a time, CC. One thing at a time. Alright, there's our controller. First Redcat. Oh, look at all that. A little tuning ability and throttle and all that. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's not bad. Not bad for something that comes with your truck. Gives you a little bit of a crawler experience there. I like that. That is cool. Nice. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. And bada bing. Bada bing. I like it. It looks just like the picture. Looks just like everything that I thought it would be. We've got a little mirror action going on here. Oh, it's adjustable. It's adjustable. It's adjustable. I see somebody in my blind spot. So look at that bad boy, yo. I know they sell something for this, but I mean, this isn't gonna be like hardcore racing around. I mean, this is gonna be nice and gentle going up stuff. I'm sure something might break at some point, but oh, look at these. They even got the rock rails on there. Check that out. That's pretty dope right there. Because I did see some of those for sale. They did have other ones. Just little sliders, you know. On this side, it popped out. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's pretty dope, dude. We got the clasps. That's pretty dope. Little pulling rig. Oh, look at that. Look, it's broke. Look, it's broke right there. Oh. That's weak. That's weak. I'm gonna have to find another one of those. I guess you could take those. Yeah, it's just bolted on. Alright. It's already started. It started tainted already. You got the pieces in the back. I'm definitely gonna have to get the light kit for this though. Because that would be dope. You get trailers and shit. So that'd be dope. I do want to take this body off. I don't know how that works. So I'll have to figure that out. This being my first Redcat. Does anyone know? Someone please tell me. That's what happens. They're silly Magoo. I guess they do need to put manuals in these things so people like me can figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. Yeah, because I don't see any hood pins. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is it just Velcro? Is that what I'm seeing here? Oh, I want to do something. It's not supposed to come off that way. Made in China. Metal, definitely metal pieces. Frame rail going through there. That's cool they did that. Alright. Well, there she is. I'll figure out how to take this body off. I'm sure someone will know before then, but man, this thing's all dinged up. God, this broke. That's in there. I mean, damn. Got a little scratch right there. I mean, it's not too bad, but I'm sure it's gonna get dinged up more. I guess I'll have to. Should I even bother contacting them about this little stupid piece, or should I just buy this piece? Probably just buy this piece. I mean, pennies on a dollar here. Alright, so yeah, newest edition. I can't wait to get this bad boy going and get out there. Maybe do some snow. We got some snow going on here. So get out there and get some footage once I figure out how to take this thing apart. And just another addition for that. I got the Capra almost completed here. The battery showed up. And this battery showed up for this thing, so we're ready to go for that. Just got to give this a charge and all that jazz. I wanna see how this goes. So give me a minute. I'll be right back. Ha ha ha! I was right. It was just Velcro. So there's the inside for anybody that hasn't seen one, which I should be watching my own video because I haven't seen one. Cool. A lot of space in here. A lot of room for activities. You could do a lot of activities in here. No chairs. No steering wheel. I mean, it's just a shell of a car. A truck. Anyway. So look, I got this for that. I guess I can go bigger for that. That's good to know. I didn't know what size to get for this. They recommended this one when I bought the thing, so I said, heck yeah, I'll just get that. And then when I get it, figure out that the battery tray is obviously way bigger. So I could definitely put a bigger bad boy in there. Eventually we will be putting something in there. I don't know what yet. I got the Castle and the Capra, and we shall see how well that performs. We've got to do a weight test with that and see if we're hopefully under 7.5 pounds, which is what they keep saying that motor can handle. But I beg to differ. I think it'll go, and if it catches fire, then I will be screwed. But anyway, I might have to change this out though. I really appreciate that they put this heavy duty stuff on here, but I couldn't get this damn thing off. And I definitely didn't want to rip on anything because I didn't know how it was really installed. But I do have ones that aren't that tough. It's actually double this, and it just meshes into itself and it's easily removable, and you can put it back, but not easily removable as in when you fall down, or it falls down a cliff, which is only 4 feet high. So yeah, you got the lights in there. Let's see if I can get a good angle on that. The lights in there where the LEDs go, so it's all ready to go. Front headlights too, right there, high beam, low beam, I guess would be my guess. And then you put a light bar on top of this bad boy, which my friends, let's see here, let's move that guy. I got this. Now I bought this for the Capra, but there was not enough space, but I just might put this on this. Unfortunately, they didn't give me the right screws for these. Oops. And it's a poor design, so I gotta figure out a way that these are gonna mount. So, anywho, I'll have to figure that out. I don't know what to do yet, but I think that would look badass. The RC, or these are the Hellas. I'm gonna give you the Hella stickers for the lens cap covers, for individual LEDs. I didn't drop anything, did I? I heard something. Individual LEDs. So, nice little lighting bar up here would be kind of dope. I don't think back there would be nice. There's no sunroof, so maybe something like this, like right there. I wouldn't want to put it so far forward, but anyway, that could very well be go on that. That could be. So we shall see. We shall see. So that's there. I'm glad that they have enough room. Drop that bad boy back on, I guess. Whoop. Hopefully you don't have to take this thing off on a trail. Woo boy. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Look at that articulation right there. Right, let's see when the rear tire comes off the ground. Right about there. So that's still got some really good traction. I mean, we're barely touching, and that's as high as it'll go. So that's kind of cool. This thing should be pretty dope. I'm excited to give it a whirl. Well, I was more excited about this than I am my Capra. But I do want to. They gotta fix these shocks a little bit. It does sink in the front. It would be nice if I can have it maybe sit like that. So I might have to twist those down, adjust those shocks. Even though the stance looks cool, but going up a incline, you want every little bit you can. But I guess I'll have to look this up for the other side here, and I know that was on eBay or something. I can find some cheap replacements, but they should have a little bit better quality control. I mean, I know we got robots in this world, but you know, come on, guys. I mean, this obviously didn't get broke inside the box. It got broke before it went in the box. So, on production being able to quality control their product before it leaves a factory. I mean, you spend the money. I mean, it's just plastic. Nope, just stuff it in the box and let it go. Earl didn't see a thing. So, anyway. That's that. So, stay tuned for some footage. Literally driving down some trails with some footage. Alright. Alright. Peace.